What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my dividend investing, back to my channel of Journey Beyond and Hope. As you know, today, January 27, 2025. Earlier today, market was in the red. Now in the evening or afternoon, the after hour market, we are up. Stocks are going back up. And in my individual account, as you can see of today, I am up $45, which is 1.21% for today. And I just want to show you my positions and my dividend that I got paid out for January. So my positions are for Fidelity is I own about 1 share. My average cost is 42.07. I am up $17.68 and 41.20%. My Costco, I am up $232.21. My overall percentage for it is 31.64%, and I own 1.01 share, and my average cost is $733.28. My main, which is still at 0.05 shares, and my average cost is $49.60. I am up about 56 cents, and my total return is 22.42%. VTI I still have. I haven't sold it yet, but I am up $48.48. My total return on it is 19.42%. I own about 1.003 shares. Average cost is $248.87. EPD, I am up $23.12. My total return is 12.85%. I own about 6.069 shares. Average cost is 29.64 cents. MasterCard, I own about 0.107 shares. Sorry about that. Average cost is about $496.07. I'm up about $5.52. My total return on it is about 10.39%. JEPI, I am up $18.14. My total return on that, it is 8.14%. My shares are about 4.066 shares. My average cost is $54.83. My SCHD, 12.728 shares. Average cost is $26.33. And then I am up $27.02. My total return on it is about 8.06%. And then on to AGNC, $48.26. My total return is 5.11%. My share is 101 shares. My average cost is 9.36 cents. Stag is at $33.74. Shares about 1.027 shares. I am up total of 94 cents. My total return in percentage is 2.70%. And Kimberly Clark, I'm up $3.76, and my total return percentage is 0.96%. I own 3 shares. Average cost is $130.16. In my Dollar General, I have about 1.083 shares. My average cost is 81.72 cents. I'm down $9.12, and my total return is negative 10.3%. And then I own I have a contract of agency on my 100 shares. I am down 21.68, and it is set to expire at the end of this week of January 31st. And if the price is above 950 cents or $9.50, my 100 shares will get called away, and they will pay me out of $950 for that 100 shares. But if it's below, I will get to keep the premium, and I'll get my 100 shares back, where I can sell more contract, which is called covered calls, because I own 100 shares on that stock or company. Okay, so let's head over to my stock tracker. As you can see here, I had rearranged my dashboard. Looks a little bit better, neat, and more clean. It still needs, I'm still working on it, so excuse if it doesn't look appealing to you. But let's go to my tracker right here. I'm just showing you my stock tracker. We already went over the shares on this. And what I really want to show you is my dividend calendar. So as you can see, for the month of January, my monthly paying dividend, which is JEPI, they paid me about $1.60. In Maine, they paid me out 1 cent because I own about 0.05 shares. And then Stags, since I own 1 share, they paid me 13 cents. And then on to the January paying dividend companies. Dollar General paid out 64 cents. And then Kimberly Clark paid out $1.24. And then let's go back to the dashboard, where I want to show you the dividend history. As you can see, 2024, my overall for the year was $41.40, and starting at 2025, I've been paid out a total of $4.13. And then let's head to my current quarterly dividend, Q1. It is about $3.62. And as you can see right here in the quarterly dividend tracker, in January it paid out $3.62. All right, and here are my companies that had total overall paid me in dividends. And then these are the sectors in percentage that I own. And then these are the shares in a graph or donut graph. And if you like this type of content, please leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. And disclaimer, this is not any type of advice, please do your own due diligence research on your own investments before you make any decisions that you make, or talk to a professional on any decisions that you make personally or financially. I am not reliable for any decisions you make personally or financially. And I do apologize for the recent or the last episode video on my SCHD. I was trying out a new video editor, and I left it up so that it reminds me that I can always improve on my skills to edit my videos. But I do apologize again on my last videos. Please don't let the last video discourage you just because I did a poorly job on that video editing. But I will go back to my original video editing program, so that way you can see what my dividend had paid out for January. All right, thank you, and we'll see you on the next episode.